Hey there, so it's Kaz here, and today we're going to do a little bit of a different case study. We're here today to emphasize the importance of campaigns, right? So what are campaigns? Campaigns, unlike kind of automated flows, are like newsletter type emails that you shoot off to everybody in your list. Obviously, you want to segment it a little bit to ensure that it works quite well. Let's run through some numbers. This one single email has generated almost $80,000 in revenue. 615 orders placed, again, from just one email. And with a click-through rate of 5.8%, this was definitely one of our more successful campaigns. Now, how did we do it? Well, let's kind of run through this kind of particular project and ultimately what we had to focus on. So in this case, Black Friday was approaching, and this fashion brand for mothers had ultimately been developing a new product for months that, according to their market research, should have been received very well. Now, they tried to launch it before, but it wasn't quite the right angle, and that's of course why they contacted us. They already released the new line in the summer, but they didn't quite get the result they'd hoped. Now, I'm sure everybody can kind of relate to that, right? You've spent a lot of time and effort working on something, and it just simply doesn't give you the results that you want. What do? Well, this particular client had run out of ideas and couldn't afford to get the same result continually of no results, basically. So we consulted with them and realized that we had to take advantage of Black Friday as a key focus. It was a chance to really offer something new at the time when people are primed to buy. Black Friday is a key time of the year for any company, and we wanted to make sure that this particular project could ultimately really leverage that completely and fully. So what we ultimately did is decided to first offer a 40% discount for the first 48 hours, launched of their derivative line, and the results were crazy. The use of this kind of simple copy and design, but a more clear CTA, unlike most kind of emails, we were able to generate almost 80K. Average order value was almost $100 across the board. And of course, you're probably thinking, hey, how did you do that? Well, when profit margins were really effective here, what we managed to do is push such an effective approach, both in terms of content, design, and offer at the right time. It worked really, really well. We used different campaigns for buyers and non-buyers, so that way we could maximize sales made for non-buyers by offering free shipping for the first 48 hours of buying. Now, this is where segmentation really comes into play, right? You need to make sure that every email that you send is carefully targeted to the correct audience. So people that buy all the time, you won't necessarily want to send as many emails, but actually more higher quality education focused emails. Whereas people who have never bought from you, they may require a bit more trust and a bit more education and social proof to be built within that bridge, right? For them to ultimately buy. So that's why it's quite important to consider all these different factors in play. Now, this client obviously had a very successful campaign, and we'd love to make that your project as well. So reach out to us below and we'll take it from there. Cheers.